In this video, you will learn add any website to your Samsung home screen. You can follow this guide easily, edit them. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome browser app your phone. After this is open the website if you want to add your home screen. After the website page is open, tap on the three dots more button top right corner. Here you can see various options. Simply scroll through the page and located the install and create or similar option. Click on them. After that, at the very bottom, find the create shortcuts open in Chrome. Once you found them, tap on it. Then simply give a name if you like, or if you decide to set the name as default, simply confirm by tapping the add button. After that, tap add button again to confirm. And this is automatically added to home screen. To check it work, back to your home screen and see the shortcut website icon appear. Simply tap on the icon and automatically open the website page easily. That's it guys, you are done. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to my channel.